guys, welcome to an August savings challenge of 2021 update. We've been doing really well with these savings challenges and I'm really excited about it, and I have all the money set up here. I have the envelopes here and I have my trackers. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you guys enjoy. So just another friendly reminder, I've been trying to remind you guys in every budget video that I will be stopping budgeting videos at the end of this year, and I'm going to just transfer them over to my budget channel. I know I got a few comments about like, oh, but we love your budget videos. I'm still doing them, you guys, just not on this channel because it's really hard to grow on YouTube if you're not in a niche. And I hate that I'm saying that, but it's the truth, it's the algorithm, and it's fact. So here I will still be doing vlogs, dating videos, hauls, beauty videos, but I will be transferring my budgeting videos to my second channel. The link is down below. I'll have it in the cards as well. So I would really appreciate it if you guys could subscribe over there. It is free. I've had a few people complain about me moving to a budgeting channel, but I'm like, it is free. It's not going anywhere. The videos are still here. It's just on a different channel. And yeah, I would love it if you guys would subscribe over there. Anyway, let's just jump right into it. If you guys again are new to the channel, these savings trackers that I will be, showing and using and throughout the video, I have them for sale. The link is always down below, so check out the description box for all the information if you guys want to join in on this challenge. I started this challenge at the beginning of the year in January, but you guys can start whenever. So yeah, this is the 100 envelope saving challenge right here, which is the most exciting one, and this is the one that I truly love. And then we also are doing the 52-week savings challenge, which is a little bit easier. So if you are a beginner budgeter, or if you're just getting into saving and stuff like that, this one is really easy, and you save about $1,300 for this challenge. But I'm doing both of them currently, so let's just jump right into it. I'm going to first do this challenge with you guys, just get it out of the way. I stuff the 52-week challenge once a month. Now, the whole concept of this is for you to stuff once a week, but for me, it is very tedious to do that once a week and to film it, I should say, once a week. So I always like to do it at the end of every month, as you guys know if you've been watching my budget videos. So this is my sinking funds binder, but I do keep my 52-week challenge envelope in here. All right, so there are 4 weeks in August, so I'm going to take week 32, 33, 34, and 35, and we're just going to add those together, and that is what we're going to be stuffing for our 52-week challenge for the month of August. So we're going to again add $32 plus 33 plus 34 plus 35. So $134 will be going into this envelope. So let's move my phone here, and we're just going to take 100, 20, 30, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, if you guys notice, this is a different setup, is because I rearranged my desk in my apartment. So I'm trying to figure out how to film overhead, and I'm on an angle, so if it looks different, it's because it is. All right, so we're supposed to have 134. So 1, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And we're just gonna add the money here. So we have our ones. We have our 10, and then 20, and then, okay. So let's just count it and see where we're at for the 52-week saving challenge, okay? 100, 250, 300. I'm gonna put that to the side, okay? So 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, and we're gonna do 550. I know, I count it weird, but sometimes the 50 messes me up. 550, 570, 590, 610, 620, 625, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. $637 is what we have in here. Let's just make sure we're on track. Let me check these off. And yes, we are on track. I do have a few more dollars in here than what the tracker says, but that's because sometimes I throw in extra money randomly. So we are on track though. Again, you can find this savings tracker in the description box down below. Okay, so we are done with the 52-week challenge, and you guys, we don't have much left. It's super exciting. Okay, now what you guys are here for is the 100 envelope challenge. So if you guys have been following my updates from the beginning of the year, then you guys know I used to like randomly pull out my envelopes, and lately I've honestly just been kind of picking random numbers. This month in particular, if you guys have been watching my August budget, my weekly check-ins, we are very much over budget for the month of August. So I didn't want to, you know, get all high numbers, you know, randomly pulled. So what I did was I strategically pulled out the numbers for the month of August, and that's okay. And I always tell people, and I tell you guys that like you can do whatever numbers you want every month, okay? And you know, sometimes if you can't finagle or stuff an envelope, don't beat yourself up. It's fine. Start again the next week or the next month or however much time you need. So for me, I've just been pulling numbers that strategically that I can stuff, because again, I didn't want to end up with all high numbers and then feel bad about it later. So I ended up pulling, you know, a few high numbers and a few low numbers and some in between. That was just kind of where I was for the month of August. So the numbers that we are going to be stuffing for the month of August. Oh, if you guys again are curious, I pull 2 envelopes a week. There's 4 weeks in August, so in total we are stuffing 8 envelopes. So we're gonna stuff 73, 8, 62, 19, 9, 100, and 1. All right, so let's just get to stuffing, and then we will highlight at the end. So I'll just do it right here, it's fine. So yeah, we're just going to put in $1 here. All right, so there's the one. Let's move this down. 100. This was the big one, and I was like, you know what? I want to get it over with. And yeah, this was the one big one that I wanted to pull because it was giving me anxiety, and I wanted to get it out of the way. All right, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 19, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm going to move these ones up so it is in frame. All right, so there's 19. Okay, then we have 62. So we have a 50, 60, 1, 2. All right, 62. I love this blue color. This blue shade, it makes me happy. So random. Okay, 8. Ooh, did I do this right? Why do I have so, uh-oh. Oh, here's a 5. I was like, wait, why? Okay, the 5 was hiding behind the 1. Thank goodness. All right. So 8, we're gonna take 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I almost thought I had messed up my numbers. I always triple check my numbers, but you know, sometimes shit happens. Okay, and the last one, this should be 73. So we have 57. Wait. See, wait. Oh my gosh. Are we missing? Okay, we're missing something. Ah! Oh my gosh. Are we missing an envelope? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing an envelope. We only have 7 envelopes here. We need 8. Oh my gosh. I planned this, and of course, an envelope goes missing. Where did where did it go? All right. Well, I need to figure this out. Oh my gosh, you guys. There is an envelope underneath here. Okay, I almost had a panic attack. Okay, I was like, wait, no, I definitely did it right. Okay, we're back. Okay, it was hiding. So 73, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, there it is, 22. This is the 8th envelope that we're stuffing for August is 22. So we have 22 right here. Oh my gosh, I was about to freak out for a second. Okay, but it's fine, everyone, it's fine. All right, so now we're gonna go in with our highlighter. I'm using the one I always use, the mild liner. It's like in this like purple lavender color. And we're just going to highlight the envelopes that we stuffed. So 22. Let's see, what's right here? Let me know how you guys are doing on this challenge. Let me know if you guys are just starting, where you're at. You know, I've gotten a few messages that some of you have, you know, fell off of the challenge, and that's okay. So restart whenever you can. You know, again, life happens. 73. But, you know, it's, I know it can be kind of discouraging sometimes. 8, but y'all, we can do this. I'm really excited that I am on track. I hope I can stay on track, but yeah, I'm just fingers crossed. 62, 19. I'm just really excited to see all of these boxes fill up. Again, this savings tracker is linked down below. You can purchase it for $1. I would really appreciate the support. Yeah, I would really love it if you guys could support if you want to do this challenge. So that was 9. 100 is the big guy. And 1. All right, that is everything, you guys. I am super excited that we were able to stuff 8 envelopes this week, you know, because again, sometimes you can't always stuff what you want, but I made it work, and I hope you guys are still doing this challenge. I hope you guys will start this challenge. Again, all the links are down below. I appreciate you guys so much for sticking with me, for watching and joining in on this, you know, savings journey with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!